stainless steel Hamilton Beach toaster oven is a great value, offering big features at a small price. With toast, bake, and broil options, adjustable temperature control, and a 30-minute timer with auto shutoff, you have the features of a larger oven without heating up the kitchen. It's great for toasting up to 4 slices of bread, warming up snacks, and even cooking a 9-inch pizza. It uses up to 75% less energy and is 28% faster than a typical kitchen oven. Featuring non-slip feet and a stainless steel exterior, it looks great with any kitchen decor. Save time and money in the kitchen with the Hamilton Beach toaster oven. Now that's good thinking.
Cook almost anything with 7 easy cooking modes. Pizza, bake, toast, broil, bagel, roast, and keep warm. All in one convection toaster oven.
It might look like any other toaster oven, but Cosori's Smart Air Fryer Toaster Oven is far from ordinary. Featuring 11 original presets, this oven can cook up any craving. Feeling like something crispy? Air fry it. Need to cook for the whole family? Not a problem. The oven also comes with every accessory you'll need. Want even more control? Download the VSync app and connect your smart oven to your smartphone. Browse over 100 original recipes made by Cosori chefs. See something you like? Just tap the recipe and automatically input settings, or adjust them remotely. For a little extra freedom, pair your smart oven with a smart assistant.
Alexa, roast 20 minutes in the smart oven.
When you're done cooking, the non-stick interior makes cleanup a breeze. so you're always ready for the next delicious meal.
That jump rope cardio. You can work on your endurance to make this an extensive workout. Accomplish a full body workout with Jimbo Gym Speed Jump Rope Set. That's the sparkly pets. There it is, the Jimbo. Sir. So this is the jump rope right here. I can't jump rope. I'm not great at it. I actually no, I know how to jump rope. I'm just not good at it. I'm more of a hula hoop guy. Show us. Don't show us.